morning, Brainy friends. Welcome back to Brainy Barn, where fun and learning grow.
That's right. Today we're going to learn an important computer skill.
Ooh, is it about games? Is it about typing super fast?
Nope. Today we're learning about file management.
Oh no, my math homework, my spelling test, my drawing of Clara. It's all lost.
Benny, is your backpack organized?
Organized? I thought hiding everything inside counted.
Well, computers can get messy too if your files aren't organized. When you create something on a computer like a story, drawing, spreadsheet, or slideshow, it becomes a file.
So files are like papers inside the computer, but instead of a backpack, the computer stores them in folders.
Imagine you walk into a music store. Would all the CDs be thrown into one giant pile? Music stores organize CDs by type and alphabetically. Computers organize files the same way by default. When you have lots of files, folders help keep everything neat. Files live inside folders.
Folders are like little houses for files.
Most computers save files in a place called My Documents. Inside, you can create many folders. Creating a new folder is easy. Double-click My Documents, click New Folder, and type the name. When you create a file, you must save it. If you forget, your work might disappear.
My homework disappearing would be a disaster.
Save, it updates the file. Save as, it creates a new version. It's like making a copy. You must give files a clear names. Avoid symbols like question marks or slashes. They tell the computer to do special commands. Files also have extensions like PDF or doc. These tell the computer which program opens the file. To open a file, just double-click it. If you need a paper copy, click the print icon.
Save first, close second. Old files can be deleted to keep the computer running faster.
You can move files by cutting and pasting, or drag and drop. Drag and drop is fun.
Wow, that's a lot of smart computer skills. Now my backpack and my computer are organized.
Great job learning today. See you next time at Brainy Barn, where smart learning grows. Don't forget to like and subscribe.